that the completion of the transaction gives us very credible promoters. The IndusInd and the Hinduja Group are known for their deep-rooted investments in the financial services as well as many other spaces, not just in India but across the world. It's a great opportunity for us to build this brand in the true manner. As we are all aware, insurance penetration in India is one of the poorest. As a country which needs to prosper, protection is very important. And to an extent, Reliance General Insurance was missing this opportunity in this transition. Now that thing is likely to change. I would say that a lot of the growth is dependent on the way we really, see or visualize the business approach. And what I am very heartened to note is the commitment which is coming from the new promoters in terms of whatever is essential, they are willing to support the company in this endeavor. So I'm sure we will outperform the industry growth very reasonably.
And sir, the brand name will also change going ahead. So do you think that will have any sort of impact on your overall business? And you just said that you have experience of filing DRHP. So how soon we can see that again you will be filing for DRHP and your IPO would be reality?
So I would say that the transaction has just got consumed. I think in the next few days, few weeks, we are going to plan on the way we should move forward. The larger goal is we have an ability to do so many things. How do we pace it out? We go to the board, we discuss so many things, and I think we will do one of the better things, from what we have been doing in the past. As far as our ability to do on DRHP and everything, I think it's in public domain, so we have the standards of disclosures and everything, which marries to the requirement. Of course, a few things can always get added with passage of time, but our objective is to really create a nice story, a value-creating story, and eventually something which we really take a lot of value out of the insurance sector at large.